my channel. I hope you guys are well wherever you are. So we have a new addition coming to our family. My sister-in-law is currently expecting. So today I'm gonna be putting together a little newborn gift basket. So it's gonna be baby shower gift ideas for our newborn. It's just a couple of bits and bops, things that I have just randomly picked up. I picked things up at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Target, and I think Amazon gift basket, and I thought I would just share with you guys just to give you guys some ideas. Maybe you have somebody expecting and you would like to make them a basket as well. These are things that I genuinely, just as like an experienced mom of two, these were things that kind of put us on the map. Some of these things are like my tried and true still to this day, and some of these books have really put my girls on the maps, and we still read these books to this day. So without further ado, not gonna do a whole lot of talking because I need to go ahead and get this basket together. She is having a boy. First things first, I got this really cute card. This card came from Trader Joe's. I love their cards. They always have like really cute designs. It just says hello little one with like a little onesie. Yeah, I don't know if y'all are able to see that, but it just has like a onesie and it says hello little one. To the books, we have so many books. My girls love books, and these are some of our favorites that have really put my girls on the maps for reading, and they still enjoy these books to this day. So the first book is Goodnight Moon. Of course, this is a popular one. It is definitely a favorite. It's like everybody's favorite, and my girls really did love this one. So I went for a lot of the hard copies because these are going to be some of his first books, and I want him to be able to flip through them and read them. I'm sure, you know, the mom will read them as well, but the hard ones are very good for small children. So we picked up Goodnight Moon. That's a favorite. Giraffes Can't Dance. Another favorite. This is actually like one of my favorites. I personally really love reading this to my girls. So we got Giraffes Can't Dance. The Little Blue Truck. This is also a favorite. And then this author has come out with so many different variations of this book. They have them for almost for every holiday. You Are My I Love You. So that one's going in there. Another favorite, of course, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. So this one is all about teaching alphabet. My girls still love this one to this day. Guess How Much I Love You is another favorite. So this is the first 100 animals. The girls have something similar, not exactly this one, but it's the same author, and it has first 100 things or something like that. But these are good, again, because this is one of his first books, and it just talks about the different pets and wild animals, forests. So I love that for him. This one I got as well at Marshall's, and it was kind of bent, but I really wanted to get it for him. This is Corduroy, and this is also a classic, so got that one as well. And then I got this one by Sesame Street, Just One You. So we got several books. Then we got this little elephant stuffed animal. Ava actually put this out for him, but it went perfect because his nursery is like a jungle type theme. So she picked this out. I thought it was super cute, so we went ahead and got him this little elephant. And we got a little neck chew handkerchief type of thing, and it also has animals on it. So it has lions and elephant. I thought that was really cute, and he can chew on this part as well. We also picked up the Silicone Mill Set, and it comes with a silicone bowl and 2 spoons, and the color is like an olive color. So this bowl does have a silicone base, so it will stick to whatever you put it on. The girls had one of these as well when they were younger, and they loved it. I used it for a very long time, and I love that it also has the wooden handle. So the plate and the bowl both have this suction cup. And then we also picked up a silicone spoon set, and the colors are just like grays and blues. So the next bag up is from Target Drive Up, and I ordered several things from Target Drive Up and then placed my order, and then shortly after, when I was about to go and pick it up, they emailed me and said 3 items were no longer available, that they're gonna have to ship them. So the 3 items that were no longer available were the 7th generation laundry detergent. That's gonna be coming in the mail. And the Sophie Teether, the giraffe teether. I'm gonna pop a picture up somewhere around here. But the Sophie Teether and the 7th generation laundry detergent, it is the free and clear, fragrant free. Those are gonna be coming later on in the mail because at the last minute they said they were out of stock. What was available was the Honest diapers. We got some Honest newborn diapers, and this is the giraffe print. These were my favorite diapers. The whole time my girls really only used Pampers Pure and Honest. Definitely love them. I actually was on the subscription as well. and I really love them. They are very clean ingredients. They don't have any additives, chlorine, or any of that stuff, and I thought that that was very important to me and for my children. So I wanted to make sure that the diapers I purchased didn't have any of those things, and this brand does not. And of course the prints are super cute. So these prints are the giraffe, which again go really cute with his theme. So we got him some newborn diapers. So we also got him the nose Frida, which is a must. I've used this for years. Even up until now recent, I've been using it on my girls. Tatiana is a little bit older now, so she does know how to blow her own nose, but before she was able to blow her own nose, this was a game changer. On those stuffy occasions and you need to get it out, this is it. I know it sounds a little because you're sucking out the snot, but it is a game changer. Those little hospital ones don't work. They don't cut it. They don't get the job done. Game changer. I recommend this for any mom. So we got the nose Frida, and they actually have a whole kit with some items in there also included for moms, and I really wanted to get that one, but it said it was out of stock. So I went ahead and just picked up this one. But that one even comes with the little squirter for the mom after she has delivered, a nail clipper, and a couple of other things. It's a really good newborn essential kit. I would definitely recommend that one. Then we got him some of the Baby Organics. This is the shampoo and body wash, and this one is fragrance free. I'm all about fragrance free, especially for newborns when they just are fresh out and they have that delicate skin. You don't want to really be putting a whole bunch of fragrance on it. This is the Baby Organics brand. Tried and true. We still use this to this day. We do use a scented one now that is for calming. I have used this one for over 5 years. With Tatiana, I started out with Mustela, not exactly sure how you pronounce it. I started out with that brand and it was good. Then I tried this one as like a sample and it's just been my go-to. So I picked up this little sign that says love you more. I thought this would be some cute decor for his nursery, as well as this little picture frame that says love at first sight in his nursery as well. And then we picked up this cute little elephant. Ava actually picked this out as well. So this would be really adorable for his nursery as well. So we got 3 little decor pieces for his nursery. And then I picked up this olive basket, which I'm hoping to get most of this stuff in. That was the plan, but now looking at all the stuff that I have, I don't know if it's gonna fit. I might have to take this out. I'm not sure. We're gonna see. So without further ado, I'm gonna turn the camera around and just show you guys how I'm gonna assemble this. Hopefully this can work, because when I purchased the basket, I didn't have all this additional stuff, but I'm gonna see if I can make it work. So let's go. So I'm just adding in some filler like I always do. I may add more, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this sign in. When they hit the ground, I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. To make things fit, I went ahead and took the neck crew off of its packaging. Super cute. He's wearing the little bandana. So I think in order to make this fit, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out as well. Whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. So this is what I have put together for the basket. And so obviously the diapers and the detergent and the books are not gonna fit. So I'm gonna keep this as is, and I'm gonna do the diapers and the detergent separate. And I may even take out the soap and add that with the detergent. So since I'm not able to fit the books in this basket, I just had a really good idea. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them in brown paper, and then I'm gonna tie it with twine, and then I would just put this card on top. And so I think that's gonna be really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping, and then I'll just put the detergent and the diapers together. So it's gonna be like a 3-piece set basically. But I'm loving how the basket came together. I might even be taking out the body wash and adding that with the detergent and diapers, and just keep this one with the serving dish and the decor pieces.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. All that's left is you and me.
So this is how the books turned out, and I'm really happy with it. And then once I get the detergent, I would just put the detergent on here and probably add some twine as well. And also I'm gonna add the little giraffe, the Sophie teether in here, and we should be all set. Very happy with how this turned out. I think she's gonna love it. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I'm so happy with the turnout. I think she's really gonna love this. I'm really loving how the books came together in this brown wrapping. Super cute. Now I'm just waiting on the detergent and on the Sophie teether toy. Something else. Oh, and also I ordered the Precious Moments Bible. That is also coming in the mail as well. So hopefully you guys got some ideas from this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to meet me in the comments section below. Give this video a big thumbs up, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
So all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see.